If we asked you right now which units are available, which tenants are due for renewal, and which maintenance jobs are pending, would you know it instantly? Or would you need to make a few calls first? That gap, that pause, is what Odoo Real Estate closes. It brings every property you manage, residential, commercial, land, buildings, and individual units, into one clean, organized dashboard. Every inquiry your team receives is captured instantly, so you always know who reached out, what they're looking for, and when the next follow-up is due. Nothing slips through. The full sales and rental cycle becomes smoother, from bookings and deposits to contracts, renewals, and rent schedules. Everything is tracked step by step without confusion. Maintenance becomes clearer too. Tenants submit an issue, your team assigns it, and technicians update progress in real time. All your documents, agreements, NOCs, compliance files, and floor plans stay stored in one secure place and are easy to find whenever you need them. And the dashboards? They give you real-time visibility into occupancy, revenue, pending rent, and team performance. We don't just organize your real estate business, we give you control.